do they say these things are supposed to make your laundry smell really, really good for like a long time? Do they really work? Well, I've actually used them for a while because I got a free sample with my new washing machine, and this is my third or fourth bottle for them, so I do think they work. The more that you use them, the longer the smell lasts. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm all about trying to find products that work and let you know about the ones that do and let you know about the ones that don't, so we don't waste our money and time. I'm all about getting us some good consumer stuff so we can have more happiness minutes to do the things that we really and truly enjoy. I'm a big fan of this product. You can use a little or a lot as it says. I've used about twice as much as what I've shown in the video before, and it gives a really, really, really strong scent. Like if I'm washing my blankets and my comforters and things like that that go on the beds or in the living room, I usually put a lot in there so that it makes those smell really, really fresh. But I'm just a big fan. I don't have anything negative to say. I've never had a problem with the Downy Unstopables not dissolving. I've never seen a piece of undissolved product on my clothes, which makes me happy. These smell good. I'm about to put them in the dryer. They smell nice and fresh. This is what the Downy Unstopables look like. They look a little plastic. They look a little plastic, as if they would not dissolve, but they always seem to. I would be careful if I had children. There's a candy or something that looks sort of like this, so I would put them out of reach of children, because they almost do look like candy, don't they? Even when I'm washing on the color cycle with cold water, while it doesn't help the detergent suds up as fast as the warm or the hot water, I've never noticed a problem with the Unstoppables not dissolving. But in my experience, the Unstoppables do dissolve in cold water wash and cold water rinse. Some package details about the Downy Infusions. It's an in-wash scent booster. I like the Amber Blossom scent. And I buy the big package because I know that I like it. I guess that's telling people not to eat it. They go directly into the washing machine for an indulgent scent boosting experience. Just shake a little or a lot into the cap, toss into the washer before the close, and enjoy a long-lasting scent. Do not put in your liquid dispenser or dryer. It's supposed to be safe for all colors, fabrics, and loads. Keep out of the reach of children. If it's swallowed, give a glass of water. And use only in the washing machines. There's the ingredient list, the manufacturer's information. There's the phone number if you want to call to talk to Downy. I'm washing a fairly large load of darks. What I do is to go ahead and start putting water in the machine and put my detergent in underneath where the water's coming out. It helps to dissolve it. And normally I don't put the Downy Unstopables in the cap, but since I found this today, I did. I normally just take the container and sprinkle some around. And then wait for a little while, maybe a minute, and then add my clothes. So I do want to make sure that the detergent pods have a chance to dissolve in the water before I put my clothes in there. No signs of undissolved Downy Unstopables on the lights. No signs of undissolved Downy Unstopables on the darks. I really do like this product. I really, really do. It's free to give this video a thumbs up. It's free to share it. It's free to leave a nice comment. Thanks for watching my video about the Downy Unstopables. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. If you have time before you go, watch another YouTube video, especially one of mine. Give it a thumbs up too. Subscribe to my channel. It helps me. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me. Thanks a bunch. And smelling good is...